you keep saying that you would rather be a dentist than an elf. Is that true? And you sir, you seem to think that these are hair cutting scissors, and yet you put them in your mouth. I don't understand. Would you rather be an elf or a dentist? An elf?
A Spider-Man!
What? Can we take this out of your mouth for just a second? Okay, let me just fix this real quick. Alright. Okay, so Jedi or Spider-Man?
Jedi.
What are you doing?
I want to be General Grievous.
Is that a lightsaber? This says huggable. You know what that means? Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Yeah! Oh, that's almost like a hug. Hey guys. Which way? Oh no! The tool. See if Uncle Tom's got superpowers. Superpowers here. Ready? Ready? Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright, Uncle John's tired now.